Ever pondered the 5 things you should never do to your well? Well, don't worry, that's precisely what we're here to discuss today. First on the list? Never pour chemicals into your well. It seems like common sense, doesn't it? But you'd be surprised at how often this happens. Secondly, avoid using heavy machinery near your well. The tremors caused by these machines can damage the well structure, leading to a collapse. This could cause serious injury or even death, not to mention the cost of repairing or replacing the well. The third point to remember is to never ignore changes in your water's taste or color. These changes could be an indication of contamination or a change in the water table. Fourthly, never try to service your well pump by yourself. Unless you're a trained professional, you could cause more harm than good. Lastly, don't forget to have your well water tested regularly. While it may seem like an unnecessary expense, regular testing can catch issues early before they become major problems. Contact softprowatersystems.com to use their water testing resources. So to summarize, the 5 things you should never do to your well are: 1. Pour chemicals into it. 2. Use heavy machinery near it. 3. Ignore changes in your water's taste or color. 4. Attempt to service your well pump yourself. And 5. Neglect to have your water tested regularly. Each of these actions can lead to severe consequences, including contamination of your water, damage to your well, potential health risks, and unnecessary expenses. So remember, treat your well with the respect it deserves, and it will continue to provide you with safe, clean water for many years to come.